Hi everyone, welcome to Amazon 295. Today we unravel the 7 newest gadgets with their prices. So let's start. The Lenovo Mini Drone is a versatile and high-performance drone designed for both beginners and enthusiasts. Equipped with a 4K professional HD camera and a 1080p wide-angle lens, it captures stunning aerial footage with clarity and detail. This drone allowing real-time video streaming directly to your device. It offers stable and extensive flight experiences, making it an excellent choice for aerial photography and recreational flying. The floating magnetic levitation globe is a stunning piece of home or office decor that combines modern technology with world geography. This lamp features a 3D terrestrial globe that levitates and spins in mid-air using magnetic levitation technology. The EMO robot is an innovative electronic smart companion designed for both adults and children. Featuring advanced voice interaction and AI technology, EMO responds to your commands and engages in dynamic conversations, making it an entertaining and interactive addition to your desk or home. This emotional companion pet offers wireless charging capabilities, ensuring it's always ready for action without the hassle of cables. With a charming and expressive design, EMO provides emotional support and playful interaction. The Outdoor Portable Emergency Hand Crank Charge Generator is a compact and versatile device designed for outdoor enthusiasts and emergency preparedness. It features a 3-watt dynamo that allows users to generate power by hand cranking, providing a reliable source of electricity for charging cell phones, laptops, and other small electronic devices. This makes it an essential tool for staying connected and powered up during outdoor adventures, emergencies, or when off the grid. The bedside lamp with USB port outlet offers a sleek, modern design with adjustable LED lighting for optimal eye comfort. It includes a handy USB port for convenient device charging. The rechargeable feature allows for easy placement without cords. Perfect for reading or relaxing, this lamp combines style and functionality to enhance any bedroom. The Apexel mobile phone microscope lens is a versatile 3-in-1 magnification tool designed to enhance your smartphone's camera capabilities. It offers 3 levels of macro magnification allowing for detailed close-up observations. The lens features built-in LED lighting to illuminate your subject for clear and bright images, easy to attach and use. This compact microscope lens is perfect for hobbyists. The bedside lamp with USB port outlet offers a sleek, modern design with adjustable LED lighting for optimal eye comfort. It includes a handy USB port for convenient device charging. The rechargeable feature allows for easy placement without cords. Perfect for reading or relaxing, this lamp combines style and functionality to enhance any bedroom.